Hello everybody one more time. In this lesson we're going to talk a little bit about layers and how do we use them and why do we need them. First of all of us we have two individual pictures. This one should look same because we made it from the scratch, and this one it should look different because you took the picture from your personal computer. So let's talk a little bit about layers, but before talking about layers we need to talk about this tool. This tool is in the toolbar. Here you have the toolbar, and here you have the menu bar, which you can use to save the pictures, to edit the pictures, and some changes to the picture. And here you have a sub menu. It changes according to the tool that you choose. And also here we have history and layers. All of us, we should have the same content and same, tools. If you don't have them, you can rewatch the previous video. First of all, if you press Move tool, if you want to change it, it shows this warn. It's saying that this is the background layer and we cannot move it. If you want to move it, you just need to press this little lock. It allows you to move this picture. But we need to go back. For this, we need to press the history. You can just choose this bottom or this bottom. So we need to duplicate the layer. We need one more layers for the background. You just press duplicate layer and you just press OK, which means now we have two pictures of the same, house. You can just press one more time to undo the changes. And we have this eye bottom. You can just press eye bottom. Nothing changes because we have the same picture on the background. You can just press again. Now we have just transparent background. We press one more time. Let's do little, changes to the picture. Let's add some other pictures so that you see how many layers we can, make. Let's choose a random picture from your personal computer. Let's choose this image. You just insert it. You can just make it smaller or bigger. Let's just leave it here. We just have this picture. You can add as much as you want. Let's just add, let's go for this one. You can make it bigger, smaller, and this is just for you to show how layers work. Let's go for one more, maybe this picture. And as you can see, the size of the picture is different, and you can make it bigger and smaller again and again. We have this combination of different pictures. On the background, as you see, we have these pictures. If you just press the eye bottom, they disappear. And this picture, exactly this one, is on the top of every other picture. If you just move it from there, you can see this is on the top. And this is how layer works. The first one is on the top. The next one is, below this picture. You can just change the position of this picture. We need to identify this one, which means it's above these old pictures, but it is below this picture. This is how the layers work. And if you just press these bottoms, they quickly disappear. You can press them again and they will reappear again. So we understood with this moment, I hope. Let's move on to the next picture. Again, here, if you press move button, it's not, moving because it's the background. You can just press cancel. If you wanted to change this background, you can just press this, this button, and it changes the position. You can see this is the only white box, and beneath there is, just transparent place. Just press again this to the history to undo things that you did. We need to copy the background one more time. Just press duplicate the layer and OK. There is an easy way for this. You can just use Command and J or Control and J if you are a Windows user, and you can make as much as you want. We don't need that many. Let's just keep with two copies. And let's see how can we move the layers. As you see, it's not showing a big difference as the picture is in the white color. Let's Um, let's paint this white box. Let's change the color for this. For this, we need to go for this little tool. It's called Paint Tool, and you need to choose this one exactly. You just press it, and we need to choose the color that we want to paint it. The white is not the option. Let's go for something like bluish color. You just press one time. Is the paint the result? You just press one more time the move tool, and then you can see this is the last picture, the last layer, which is above this layer and this layer. If you just press the eye bottom, it changes it disappears. Let's change the second layer's colors too. You just press the second layer, and then you need to go to this thing, to the painting thing. You need to choose a different color now. Let's go for red, and you just paint it. As you see, this is the first layer. You just change the position of this. And this is the second layer. You can change it this way too. And let's, change the color of the last layer too, so that it's, visible and that we can see the difference. You just press the background. You go for painting tool again. And from there, you just choose the different color. Let's go for something green. You just paint it, and there you have the result. So we have this layer, the second layer, you can see it's changing, and the third layer. So this is the result. I want you to practice it one more time. You need to create this composition on your computer too. And this one is also should be created on your laptops. So this is the end of this lesson. So everyone, if you are enjoying our course, we have a little announcement for you. If you want to learn Photoshop from zero, from scratch, and want to become a graphic designer, start making your own independent money, we have a full version of this course. The course was constructed in a very fun and easy way, so I myself strongly recommend you to join this course, because you will learn how to use a Photoshop in a few days. So don't waste your time and click the link in descriptions to join the course, and I will see you there.